new video, new day, I hope. Yeah, I'm starting a new video. So it's Thursday night. I'm going out for dinner alone to Lupa because I haven't done a solo date, and I haven't done a dinner date alone in a while. So I've decided to just look cute for myself. Obviously, still wearing the shirt I wore at work and the blazer, but just changed to jeans, and I'll wear the same shoes I wore because I think they go well. I was just wearing like pants. I was wearing like the whole suit today because I had KPA, which went very well, and I really did well. So yeah, and I'm so happy that I'm doing this with myself. Like, I've only done solo dates, solo breakfast dates, and day dates. I just wanna go to a date alone. So yeah, I'm going to Lupa, and if I'm not scared to shoot, I'll see you there. All right, so I decided to sit outside. I decided this while in at my place because I made my booking in AsandaNtini, and because I didn't want to be anxious about like how am I good, like when I get there, be anxious, just decide, okay, act like I know what I'm doing. But like if you're going on a solo date, I'd recommend doing things like that, deciding on what to, like, look at the menu, look at the sitting arrangements, like everything, whilst you're still at home, so that you decide, good, see, am I going to do this or not, so that you are not anxious like some of us. So that's what I did, and it helped me so much. And yeah, and it helped that it was also not full. So in as much as it was a Thursday, I went there early. So if I was there around like 9, maybe it would have been a different story. But also, Florida is no longer as busy as what Florida used to be in the past. So that's the difference. And yeah. Meatballs, they're really nice. And having my tea. I'm in my tea era, okay? I am actually in it. So right now it's no shedding. Just dropped off my washing. Go charging me. Okay, I was very heavy, so it was like too loud. Anyways, yeah, done with that. Hey, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. I haven't had coffee because there was load shedding. So let me try and get that. I don't know if I'll get it, but yeah. I look so cute. Anyways, so I went to church. I did my hair yesterday. I did my nails yesterday. What else did I do yesterday? Yeah, I did my hair, which looks really nice, and I did my nails. No particular event. I just wanted to look nice, and I like it when I look nice, so I decided to do that. Basically tapping into my feminine energy. Anyways, yeah, so what else did I do? We're so doing right now, the 8 a.m. service. So yeah, this is me. And next week I have to attend the 10 a.m. service because new parishioners have been invited for tea. And I'm a new parishioner here. Having breakfast at Circus because I want to. Oh yeah, this is my church outfit. These jeans. This very old jersey as well. I think I make better breakfast. I actually do. Just that what I wanted is not. Welcome back to my channel. Anyways, yeah. So this is fish, fresh fish actually. So I cut off the head because I'm not gonna cook something I won't eat. And I've opened these here because what happened the last time I made fish, because I just roast my fish, is the skin was very nice but the inside just tasted like fish. But fish is really nice anyways. But yeah, so I decided I'm going to do this time around. So yeah, let's marinate this and put it in the oven. Yay, welcome to today's dinner. Okay, so in case I didn't show the spices I use that one. Basically, I wanted to have like a lemon taste. That's what I'm going for. So use these, and yeah, you can actually find all of these spices at Checkers or any other retail store that sells these brands. But I'm certain about Checkers because that's where I got them. I'm gonna make spicy chicken. By spicy, I mean not spicy chicken, spicy rice. By that I mean I'm going to just add peri peri on my fried rice. There's rice on the stove boiling for now, and then peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, onions, mushrooms. What's this? Curry leaf, carrots. I don't want to make too much because I know that if I make too much rice, it goes to waste because rice goes off like very fast. So yeah, that's what I'm making as like to pair it with the fish, and yeah. Okay, so my food is actually ready. Looks really nice. My rice is really looks really nice, and thinking of going for a walk after Nkatuk Aina. So I think I'll do that at 5 and we'll eat after. Uh, yeah, I did take the walk as I said. Why is this giving Penny? Penny who? What's that guy? Penny Payne. Yeah, I'm wearing my old glasses because I wanted to. They still work, especially if it's like I'm not reading. And my glasses are quite heavy, so I just needed a break. I was not wearing any glasses while cooking, so I've decided to just take these as I'm taking a walk, because obviously my eyes are starting to get a strain because I'm not wearing any glasses at all. So these still work, so might as well. Did I show you my nails? They're so cute, and then I have matching toes. Don't know if you can see the toes, but yeah, they're almost matching. They're matching, just not French. Cute view of the city. Switch off the flash. This is my favorite. My earphones need to be charged. Anyways, this is my favorite view. Yeah, I love coming here and just watching the stadium and the views around it. Like, it's so nice. And yeah, and it's so surreal. It feels like I'm doing something right. Like, I don't know how, but being here was at some point aspirational, and I'm here. So yeah, this is what my rice looks like, and I'm packing my lunch, and then my meal the next day. I don't know, maybe it will also be lunch for Wednesday, we'll see. But yeah, for Tuesday rather. This is it, and I'll put in the fish now. Okay, here's my meal. The vegetables look quite sad, but yeah, this is my roasted fish and mixed vegetables that I didn't roast. I should have roasted, but I just put it in the microwave. And I'm having blueberry cordial with Sprite, and yeah, this is it. I'm probably not gonna finish this fish because it's a lot, but yeah, if I don't.